heart. Okay, in order to understand human heart, we are just taking a goat heart as specimen and seeing this. So when we see the heart, first what we have to see is, we will see how the shape is. Shape is conical. The bottom is narrow and the
base is broader, as you can see.
We have. Okay. Then we will have 4 chambers in the heart, 2 auricles and then 2 ventricles. These small structures, whatever that are there, this is the auricle, this is one more auricle. Okay, and you have the ventricles. This is a ventricle and this is another ventricle. Thin wall. Wall is very thin. Here you see the wall, it's very thick. This side it is thin. Why like that is, this side from here systemic aorta will come, which will supply blood to entire body. So ikkada unna blood ki lot of pressure will be there. This side the wall has to bear lot of pressure, that's why it will be thick this side. Okay, and then when you see inside, we can see some structures. Come near. Okay, you can see the structures. These are the chordae tendonae. These structures you are seeing, string like structures. Okay, these are the chordae tendonae. Here you can see it well. Okay, the chordae tendonae. These are all the chordae tendonae. They will be attached to structures. These are called the papillary muscles. Okay, the structures to what they are attached, the chordae tendonae are attached are the papillary muscles. So we know that on the right side we have the opening between the right auricle and right ventricle. This hole is called the auriculoventricular aperture. It is called the right auriculoventricular aperture. Okay, the hole is called. And okay, when you see like this, you have a valve this side. This is the, okay, what is the valve? It is the tricuspid valve what we have. So this is the, okay, all the smooth structure whatever you are seeing, this will be the tricuspid valve onto the right side what we have. Okay, then we have on the left side also, when you go like that, okay, you have the aperture. This is the auricle portion. From auricle to ventricle, this is the aperture. The hole is the aperture what you have, and this portion will be the valve, that is the bicuspid valve or the mitral valve we have this side. Okay, and okay, so that is how we will see the internal structures, and you have all the, okay, different vessels you can see hanging outside. All different vessels are there hanging outside. So how you can decide what is this vessel is, if I take a straw and insert into any one of this vessel, depending upon where it is opening, which side it is? It is which side?
Left.
Right side. It is opening through the right auricle into right ventricle. So this is a very big one, big blood vessel. So this is your superior vena cava. Okay, and then when I put a straw into this one, it is opening into right side. It is pulmonary arteries. Right side, pulmonary arteries. If I put a straw into this one, okay, this is a big one, as you can see the vessel. If I put a straw there, where it is opening? To the left side, systemic aorta. So we know, we have drawn the diagram also, systemic aorta. See how fat it is. This is the one which will be supplying blood to entire body. So that's why the wall of the left ventricle will be much thick compared to that of the right one. Okay. And then also we have the pulmonary veins. So if you turn like this, we have the holes here, the pulmonary veins. You can insert a straw and see where it is going. Okay, so when we insert the straw, you can see that it will open into the left auricle. So you know that pulmonary veins will bring the oxygenated blood into the left auricle. So they have opened here. So these are the structures and how you will see. This is all fat. And you can see these lines, the lines which are shown on the top, these small lines as you can see, these are the coronary arteries that will be supplying blood to the heart. Okay.